Welcome back again. I'm here in my studio with Dr. Makolo. Now we're going to talk about betting. Now, if you can advise someone for betting, so what kind of betting? Because when you bet, there's a lot of things that you do. There is like double chances, win-win. You can bet corners. You can bet first 10 minutes. Exactly in your side, which the best way to bet? Which kind of you must be looking? So when you are betting.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Klaus. I can say you must do your research. Each and every team that you are betting on, do your research right. Because you can find out maybe, let's say Man City is playing Crystal Palace. If you didn't do your research, you will go for a big name that you always know that Man City is a good team and they're always winning, but you don't know that when Palace is at home, they always beat Man City. But if you did your research right, you are going to know that, okay, this team is good at home. It's not easy to beat at home. That's why I say check your researches, and you must know where to put your double chances like win and draw or win-win. Which team that you can use that, because a team that they are not good when it comes to defend. Where you can only do your double chance, say win-win. There are also a team who are good on parking the pass or defending. You can say they maybe is Dortmund versus Union Berlin. You can say Dortmund and they throw there because you also say, okay, Union Berlin is always parking the pass, so it's not going to be easy for Dortmund to score a goal. So let me say the win and draw for Dortmund. So you must always do your analyzing right. That's why you can get what you want from Pepe or Hollywood or Super Sport Bet, any bet that you are using.
Thank you very much. All I want to say to all the bettors at home, if you want to be successful, you must have big dreams. Betting is not it's like a work in these days. 90% of the people, more especially men, are betting. So if you are betting, which means you are a dreamer, do something. Do something. If you don't bet, open your own company, do something, because betting is the chance of being a millionaire. Thank you very much. Say Dr. Klaus was here. Amen.